Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today quote is I would like to think that all of my successes in life are really just the fruit of my failures. So basically in this quote I am not talking about just it's all about my life. It's everyone's life. So taste the fruit of failures and then you will have the taste of success. Okay, now start with this question. So, can you find the biggest number among the three values without writing messy code? In this video, I will teach you that particular thing. Everyone write code and inefficient logic that gives or increase the time and space complexity of the program. Can you do this? You know how to compare two values and you know how to find the greatest between two values, but I am giving you the three values. Can you do that? Just try it. And if you try that, then just let's start with me. Here I am showing three values or three variables having the values of 8, 7, and 5. And after that, we already know the if condition and we know how to compare two values. Let me just think. Can you do this way and just say that x, which means your variable? No, it gives you error as this is undefined for this argument. So here are things that we used to learn before. Let me. What do you think about that way? If x is greater than y, and if it is true, then this is greatest. But we also consider another value, which is let me just yes, that x is also greater than z. So the x is the greatest, and it is greater than both y and z. So that's why you have to use AND operator, because you have to make the two conditions to be true. Okay, what else? Let's just say y, but I think that's wrong, because now if x is not greatest, let me just change it to 4, then you got stuck. Now for this we use else if and checking that this is greater than x and y is greater than z, then we put y. But I am talking about you have to write efficient code without some creating a mess. But this is you create some here mess. Why this is mess? This condition is mess because you in the previous condition that x is not greatest both from y and z. So why do we compare again from x? Just remove it. So this is I am talking about. Everyone write then again two AND operations and two more conditions, so that will increase the code complexity. So this will make your code cleaner. And if neither, print z. Let's say what output. First compile it and then run it. As always, thumb rule. 7, yes, this is the greatest. Let's say I will make z is the greatest. Okay, let's check it. Z is the greatest. So the gist of this. So we are using the conditional operators and the logical operators and the if else. So we are clearing three concepts with just simple one question: can you print the greatest of 3 without this? I mean, you can do it after watching this. So just keep watching and keep exploring new things and write efficient code. Everyone can write code, but you have to write some efficient code. So just write it. And if you like it, just subscribe and give comment what you understand it and what are the topics that you find some tricky and some confusing topics. So just write in comments below. And yeah, bye bye, take care.